My goodness, stop heating food directly in the microwave. It will be dry and hard when heated, and it will dirty the microwave oven. This special steamer for microwave oven saves you. You only need to pour some water under it, and it will be soft and delicious when heated, locking in nutrients and moisture. The layered design can put many kinds of food in at once, and the independent space will not taint the taste. You can also steam buns, steam eggs, etc. Best of all, it doesn't mess up the microwave. Food grade quality, can be used for 10 years without breaking. It can also be used for washing dishes. If it is worn out within 10 years, I will compensate you for a new one for free.